going to be showing you the market sentiment along with the Forex economic calendar for the coming week. Now, Tuesday, the 8th of June, we do have 2 high impact euros with 3 high impact US dollars. But better yet, on Thursday, we do have a ECB deposit and interest rate decision. So we will be looking to take advantage of this later in the week. Again, we also do have the initial jobs claim for the US dollar, along with the consumer pricing index. Now moving on to the Friday, we do have the G7 meeting, so we will see what this gives us on the outcome. And we also have the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. Now looking for the sentiment over the week. Now I do not trade solely off this, however I do take this into consideration due to this up here, along with many other brokers. You will have a similar number here, IG being one of the biggest financially authorized platforms. So in regards to this, we can see that the majority of traders are looking to take the Euro GB pair long. However, I have always traded against these kangaroo tails or shooting stars, or whatever you would like to call them, due to, again, equal lows or relative equal lows here. So there's going to be a lot of liquidity resting under here, such as orders for taking short positions and also buying positions. So I'll be looking to take that short in the next week. Moving on to the Euro US dollar. Due to this, I would be looking to take this long, just because the sentiment is looking to be on the short side. Same with the dollar pound. I would be looking to take this long into next week, but not before Tuesday. Now moving into the charts themselves. Previously speaking about the euro pound, as you can see here, we have our kangaroo tail, or however you want to call it, and same with this one. Now, as you can see, that is giving us relative equal lows. Here and here. So depending on what happens on Monday, as I always like to let Monday get out of the way before actually getting into any positions, unless something too good arises on the market. So looking to take this short for the Monday and the Tuesday, potentially through until the Wednesday also, giving us our entry into our then long position once it has caught all the liquidity resting below these here. Now we have that over and done with, we'll be moving on to the US dollar pair. US dollar is currently in a downtrend, and due to it not being able to break this previous high, I am looking to take that, and sorry, with such a sharp rejection off it, I am looking to take this lower and take it potentially down to the previous monthly low, but definitely below the previous week low and the previous month low. With that in mind, and the dollar being weak, moving on to our main trading pairs. So as you can see, we do have a nice push down, correction, nice push down, with a small correction, and what I call this, and what we've been taught, is this is called the breaker. So we've got a nice push down, it's caught all the liquidity resting underneath here, falling long on the short positions. Giving us a nice big rally to the upside, not taking out this high, giving the impression to retail that this is some sort of resistance. Pushing down in, we are looking to get in between the 62% and the 79% retracement, then giving us our push to take out this old high over here. Again, because the pound and the euro are so heavily correlated, some patterns will arise both at the same time, just slightly different. As we can see again, we have the push down, correction, push down, Small correction, slightly pushed down to take out the liquidity, a sharp push up, taking out this intermediate high there, therefore giving us the direction to start looking long on Monday, looking to get the push down into this area here before taking this long and taking potentially out the previous week high and the previous monthly high. And that's all I'm looking at for next week. Many thanks, please leave your comments.